In this video, we will learn how to add a credit to a customer's profile in just a few simple steps. There are two primary methods for adding a credit: directly from the customer profile or by creating a credit note and then issuing it to a customer's balance. However, this video will focus on adding a credit directly to customer profiles. Let's get started. To begin, we will select any customer and then click the Add button. Next, select Add Credit to navigate to the Add Credit page. This page contains numerous fields for entering information tailored to your needs. However, there are two fields that require you to enter complete information, including date and amount. I will proceed to fill in the information. The final step is to click the Submit button to finalize the credit creation. Voila! We have successfully added a credit directly to the customer's balance. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.